Ever found yourself wondering about the difference between traditional and digital marketing? Maybe you've asked yourself which one holds the upper hand in today's fast-paced world. Well, if that's the case, you've come to the right place. Imagine yourself in a boxing ring. In one corner, you have traditional marketing, the seasoned veteran, armed with print ads, billboards, direct mail, and TV commercials. In the other corner, digital marketing, the agile newcomer, equipped with SEO, social media, content marketing, and email campaigns. Both contenders are ready to fight for your business's success. Traditional marketing, with its tried and true methods, has been around for decades. It's the heavyweight champion of brand awareness, reaching a broad audience through physical marketing materials. Think about the billboards you see on your drive to work, the flyers you receive in your mailbox, or the TV commercials you watch during your favorite show. These are all examples of traditional marketing at work, creating a tangible and lasting impression on consumers. On the other hand, digital marketing, the relative newbie, excels at precision and adaptability. It uses the power of the internet to reach a global audience. Think about the sponsored posts you see on your social media feed, the emails you receive from your favorite brands, or the blogs you read to learn more about a product. These are all examples of digital marketing creating a personalized and interactive experience for consumers. So, what sets these two apart? First, the reach. Traditional marketing has a local reach targeting consumers in a specific geographical area. Digital marketing, however, has a global reach, targeting consumers regardless of their location. Second, the medium. Traditional marketing uses physical marketing materials, offering a tangible and sensory experience to consumers. Digital marketing, on the other hand, uses online platforms, offering an interactive and personalized experience. Third, the measurement. Traditional marketing can be challenging to measure in terms of effectiveness. It's hard to know how many people saw your billboard or read your print ad. Digital marketing, on the other hand, is easily measurable. You can track how many people visited your website, clicked on your ad, or shared your content. Lastly, the cost. Traditional marketing, with its physical materials and broad reach, can be expensive. Digital marketing, on the other hand, is often more cost-effective, allowing businesses to reach a larger audience at a lower cost. In conclusion, both traditional and digital marketing have their strengths and weaknesses. It's not a matter of which one is better, but rather which one is more suitable for your business. So, whether you're a seasoned business owner or a budding entrepreneur, understanding the difference between traditional and digital marketing can help you make an informed decision and take your business to new heights.